Happy Hoarder here, and welcome to my little short. So I've had these bicycles for a long time, and I've used them over the years, putting flowers in them for decorations, but sadly they've just kind of been sitting around rusting. So I had this brilliant idea that I was going to paint them, but when I started putting it all together, no, I wasn't going to have time to paint them. But I did fill them with flowers, and I moved them somewhere where I could enjoy them more, like when I'm coming out of my car and going into my house from my carport. So these things are so sweet, and I really enjoyed them, and I loaded them up with pumpkins and flowers for this little photo montage. It's a great idea. I've actually moved them again since I've taken these pictures, but I think you'll get an idea, and I encourage you, if you find an old bicycle, especially one with a basket, then you should grab it and do something fun like this with your fall decor or spring decor as well. So thanks for watching, and hey, check out my channel. If you haven't subscribed, give it a shot. Maybe you'll like it. Bye!